How to see all your reposts on TikTok. Hi there, today we will learn about how to see the repost videos that you have on your TikTok. First thing, you need to open the application and then go to your profile that's on the lower right corner of the screen. When you go to your profile, what you need to do is that, as you can see, there are a lot of options for you to choose from the drafts, the private videos, the bookmarks, the repost, and the liked videos that you have. So the second to the last option here, the one with the arrow icon, that is where you will be able to see all your reposts videos here on your TikTok account. So that's basically how you will be able to find the repost videos that you have on the account on your profile. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.